大家好，我是英英老师。Welcome to Learn Chinese with 英英。This video is the intro of the series Learn Chinese characters with pictures and stories. 话说中文。I know it's kind of well acknowledged that the Chinese writing is extremely complex and intimidating. Well, actually, it's not true if you know the origin of it, and that's why I'm here. Now let's talk about the origin of Chinese characters. At the very beginning, written Chinese was a picture-based language. It was called Oracle Bone Script, 甲骨文. It dates back several thousand years to the use of 龙骨, animal bones and shells on which symbols were carved by ancient Chinese. Over years, it was gradually evolved and simplified into the present Chinese writing system, that is, simplified Chinese, 简体中文. Let's have a glimpse of what I'm talking about. Look at this Oracle Bone script. What's the meaning of it, do you think? I'm pretty sure you have the right answer in your mind. It's quite a truthful sketch of our eyes, isn't it? After 1,000 years of evolution, it has been simplified into simplified Chinese, 简体汉字. It is pronounced as 木. Now look at this character. We can see the outline becomes square and upright, and the half circle is simplified into two short lines. But we can still see the strong link between these two, can't we? Now let's look at another example. What's the meaning of it? It's quite obvious. It means heart. And this is the simplified Chinese. It is pronounced as 心. We can see this is the half circle, and this half circle becomes three short lines, but the shape of them are still similar. Well, let's look at another example. What's the meaning of this one? It's a little bit trickier than previous two. You are right if you say it's a goat. See, it's a quite vivid expression of a goat, isn't it? And this is the simplified Chinese. And we can see here, this we can still see the two horns here. And the eyes, nose, mouth are simplified into three short lines, and the body was simplified into a vertical line. Here we have it, the word yang. Now you can read the Chinese. So it's not that hard to learn Chinese. It's actually fun, isn't it? So as we mentioned above, Chinese writing system at the very beginning was picture-based, but it was not just the simple drawings of the things they saw. It actually embodied their views, stories, and philosophies as well. So in this series, I'll walk you through 300 the most commonly used Chinese characters. And magically, you will find yourself can read Chinese and get to know Chinese culture and philosophy at the same time. There are more lessons coming in this series, Learn Chinese with pictures and stories. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button so you won't miss a thing. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'll see you next time. 谢谢观看，我们下次再见。